I have been asked before, bakit hindi daw ako nag-upload regularly? And the simple reason is because hindi ako nakikipagkompetensya kahit kanino man. I don't see the success of what I am doing based on the views, based on the likes, and based on the number of subscriptions. You see, the point is this. The reason why I upload is because I want to help. I want to share something beneficial, edifying. Gusto kong makasigurado yung sinasabi ko may saysay. Hindi yung nakopya ko lang from others, which is napapansin ko nga maraming gumagawa nun. Especially when it comes to prophecy. I mean, minsan may naririnig ako, talking about rapture, talking about pre-trib, talking about this and that. Hindi ko naman sinasabing mali o hindi, pero ito napapansin ko. Sometimes, content creators simply parrot kung ano lang ang sinabi ng ibang tao, some famous theologian, but they never really do their homework to validate kung totoo ang sinasabi nitong mga to. Or they never cross-check references to make sure na baka naman merong ibang other ideas that makes more sense. You get what I'm saying? I have proven this many times before. There are times I thought I was serving the Lord, but in reality, gusto ko lang pinapalakpakan ako. Gusto ko lang ma-praise ng ibang tao. And that is where I am led astray. A lot of times, we think we're doing something for God, but in reality, it's all about our own interests. We just want people to tell us how good we are. We pretend to speak out of concern, but in reality, we just crave the attention. And that kind of behavior is not going to bring us peace. And that is the most important thing, knowing that God is truly pleased with what you are doing. Doon mo mararamdaman ang sinasabi na kapayapaan that surpasses all understanding, because knowing na ginagawa mo kung ano ang gusto niyang ipagawa sa'yo. You don't have any ulterior motives. You're doing it with a pure heart, a pure intention to please God. I remember there was this one time I made this mistake of joining this church organization. No, and I fell into a trap. Kasi bakit? I was seeking knowledge. I was seeking self-glorification. Gusto ko tumingala ang tao sa akin. Kasi napansin ko itong grupo na to, marami silang sagot sa kung ano-anong klaseng mga tanong. But at the end of the day, nagkamali pala ako. And you know what brought me back? It was a sincere prayer to God. Ito ang sabi ko, Lord, ikaw ang aking objective. I don't care if I have to start from scratch. I don't care if I have to let go of everything I've learned. If I have to start from zero. Ikaw ang hinahabol ko, ikaw ang hinahanap ko. Take me out of here kung kinakailangan. I'm willing to start from scratch as long as ikaw ang mahanap ko at the end of the road. And you know what? Within 2 weeks, I was gone. I was gone. Literally, umalis ako. Hindi na ako nag-join dun sa organization. No? I didn't subscribe to any of their teachings. Not to say na hindi naman mabuti, na masama lahat ng tinuro nila. But my point is, I distance myself. Ang sabi ko sa sarili ko, ang loyalty ko ay sa Panginoon. And you know what? Sabi nga ng Panginoon, seek and you shall find. Knock, it shall be opened to you. And that's my message to you all. If you truly have a heart that desires to follow God, to please God, it doesn't matter if you have lots of people liking what you do. It doesn't matter if you have It doesn't matter kung kokonti lang sila. It doesn't matter kung konti lang yung subscribers mo. It doesn't matter how unpopular yung sinasabi mo sa kanila. The only thing that matters is that you serve God with pure motives. You please God in what you do. And with that, God bless.